Family, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. This is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Let's go ahead and hop into charts, facts, and data and waste no more time. GME earnings was today. Let's go ahead and break it down. We're also going to be talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and the stock market. Let's hop right in. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out here, GME earnings. This is just some of the data. This is not everything. This is not a detailed breakdown of it, but we did beat analyst expectation for the fourth quarter in the row. Also, you guys can see we had an EPS of 17 cents. The estimate was 4 cents, so we did beat that by 325%. We did have a loss of revenue, though. Revenue did go down, and this just is some simple basic information about the earnings. The Bitcoin was not on the balance sheet, so that's probably going to show up on next earnings. But they do have the Bitcoin 100% for sure, because we did see the 8K filing for that. So we know that they do for sure have the BTC. Also, you guys can see insiders are buying. This is some recent news that I put out as well, but this is something we've been watching for quite some time. Now, what is going on with the price action? Some people are a little bit confused. Again, this is a simple shakeout in my personal opinion. I told everybody before I got off the stream that the stock would recover. We had this little bit recovery here, and then I told you guys heading into the close that you would see some recovery, and this is the close of after hours, and you guys can see we've seen some recovery. So you guys can see that we're pushing back to the upside, and I actually expect GME to start to recover as early as tomorrow into the rest of this week, and I think we're going to get back above $30. I believe that this was a shakeout. Also, we came down to the buy orders for GME, and I just believe that this was basically a way to come down, grab some liquidity, get some shares for cheap, and that's what Smart Money did. And then we're going to move back to the upside. So I'm not worried at all. Again, you guys can see we have these buy orders starting at 29 all the way about 29.30. all the way up to about 29.80. So again, we are in that buy zone right now here in after hours, as we are in 29.12. So I'm expecting to push right back up towards $30 here. You'll probably see some excitement here pre-market as we move even higher. We'll probably start the market open around 29.25 to, let's say, 29.50. We'll probably open up around that range. So you'll probably see GME start to recover very, very soon. And this was a shakeout in my personal opinion, and I'm not worried at all. The fact that we got the fourth beat in a row shows that we are beating earnings quarter after quarter after quarter. We're beating analyst expectations. The stock is doing better, and this is showing fundamentally that we are improving long term. So that's why it's so important that we got that beat and